Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video we are going to show you how you can scrap emails and social media accounts with the help of simple tools. In order to start this video, please go and subscribe to our channel and please press the bell icon and for getting a notification on time. So let's begin. As you can see on the screen, the first point in order to scrap emails is the targeted site. The client will tell you from which site he wants the email should be scrapped. The main point is targeted sites. There can be many sites. The common are LinkedIn and Facebook and Instagram. These are the main targeted site. The second point is niche or keywords. The client can tell you from which background he wants the email should belongs to or the profile should belongs to. Such keywords can belong such as food blogger, doctors, developer, engineers, software engineers, and many more, etc. The third and the most important part is location. The client can tell you from which various location he or she wanted from email and the account should be scrapped. There is a catch in location section. I will tell you in the later part of the video. And the last one is targeted site. In Asia and America, gmail.com is widely used, but in the UK it is Yahoo works as in the place of Google. I will give you this link or the key phrase by which you can scrap emails very easily. You just have to copy paste and I will show you the following steps how you can scrap emails very easily. So let's begin the video. So as you can see, I have written here all the things I have to write, such as website, Instagram, LinkedIn, anything you want the website to be happen, and the location should be like if I search for America, it will only show me 100 to 200 result, but in order to get 1000 scraps you have to find cities of America. There are 38 cities in America, and then if I will change from here New York, I will get 200 from each. So if I multiply 200 to 200 to 100 emails, so I will get approximately 2000 emails very easily. But in order to scrap emails, you will require a extension which will be linked down below. So let's go and download the extension. The extension known as Instant Data Scrapper. You will find a direct link in the description. You have to just download the extension and you have to simply open the extension in the web page of the email scrap. Then you have to download the following files. Up there, green one, XLS one. You have to just simply download it. It will be an Excel file. As you will open it, there will be all the data. In order to extract the email, you have to go to Google and you have to search for email extractor. This link will also be found in the description. You have to simply delete all the unused stuff, or you can go and search for descriptions here. You can find an email from any description. These all are genuine links. As I am showing on the screen, you have to copy the description and you have to only paste it and extract email. You will find an email following. So as you can see, I got one email from this description. You will get some descriptions email from some description and not from some. So don't think that you will get all emails out of 10. You can get 5, 6, 7, 8 emails out of 10. So guys, this was the video. If you like this video, please go and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. For more tech related videos, please press the bell icon. I will see you next time.